So the next thing we do is we're going to do a little bit of tidying up, and we're going to do a few split planes to try and turn this body of this watch into one main piece. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go construct offset plane. We are going to drag it off our front there. So therefore, what we're going to do, if I drag that down, drag it up, you can kind of see where the plane is. And so this one here is 2mm offset, and that gets us pretty close. So we could probably reduce that to 1.8, and that will get us pretty well there. We'll go OK. Then we're going to construct another offset plane. And we are going to, doesn't actually matter where we offset it too much, but I could offset it off the bottom of off the watch there, and I can just drag it up. And I'm reckoning if that other one was 1.8, this one here is probably 1.8 as well. We'll have a look. And yeah, you can see the little yellow line there. Looks pretty close. We could probably change that to 1.5. Would probably get us maybe a bit closer. Yeah, you can see that yellow line is now right down the middle of our blue line. So then we go, okay. Now, what we can do with those construction planes, we'll turn the visibility of some of our other stuff off. So we won't see the knob or these parts here. So it's now just the main body of the watch, and we'll turn that screen tab off. We can go into this part here, which says modify, split body. So you pick the body you're going to split, which is this one. The splitting tool is going to be this here. And actually, I can even split two at once. So it's going to split it into 3 different parts. And then we go, okay. So you can see that's kind of introduced an extra line. So now what I can do is I can go through, and with my body, I've got the main knurled body, I've got the back, and I've got the screen. So you can start to see it gets a little bit confusing as to what all the parts are. So what I'm going to go through is I'm going to rename these ones here. So rename all. So this one here is going to become watch body. Oop, probably spell it correctly would help. It's watch body. Knob is already done. This one here we're going to rename as strap. Continue on. This one here, I don't know what that one is. We'll ignore that for the moment. And this is we're going to call it the heart rate monitor. Cool. And then we have this part here. You can just see there. So that one there, so rename. So that one is going to be screen. And this one here, watch back. And is that one if I turn the visibility off? I renamed the wrong one screen. Oh, I didn't rename it at all. Rename. So it's another screen, watch back. And still can't see what watch body 4 is. That's interesting. But if I turn everything else off and see what body 4, even though it's visible, doesn't exist. So I reckon we can pretty safely have a go at deleting it. Let's see if we can do it without breaking anything. Turn all the visibilities back on. Ah, that's what it is. That break, if I undo that. It was so that part 4 was just there as the cut, the one that cut away the strap. Cool. That's